This lesson will help you get started with your software and the Maptek Workbench. Maptek account is a location where you can download software and contact Maptek support. If you do not have a Maptek account login yet, it is a good idea to create one. You may click Register to sign up. If you like, pause this video now to launch a web browser and register for Maptek account. You can log into your Maptek account while you watch this video. Your company may have already installed software on your computer. If so, you will see at least one icon on your desktop. If you do not see a Workbench icon, you should talk to your IT department if you have one. If your IT department has given you permission to install software on your computer, you can download software from Maptek account. Once logged in to your Maptek account, you can download software. Once installed, you will be able to launch the software if your company has a license for that software package. After you download the software, double-click the executable file to install the program. Once installation is complete, click the Workbench icon on your desktop to get started. The Workbench interface is the primary location for you to access installed Maptek software applications and tools. Most people only have one application, but you may have several. Tools associated with each installed application display in a separate area of the Workbench. Tools are color-coded to match the software icon. Workbench tools are green. You can also read Maptek news or view a list of your recent projects. You can find help for each installed software package in the Help menu. The Resources area contains quick links to the Download Manager, online training, and Maptek Online Help. If you have Maptek account licensing, you will be able to download software and updates from the Download Manager. You can learn more about Maptek account licensing in another lesson. The Download Manager lists all software you have installed on your computer, as well as any updates or new software your Maptek account license includes. You will learn how to license and launch your software in future lessons.